Hi everyone, Missybeelondon here. As you can see, I'm just fluffing my hair because I'm getting ready to create a quick hairstyle for you in this video. I only needed a couple of pins to create this hairstyle, and first you can see me just gathering a side section of my hair, and then I get my lovely hairpin and I put it in. I'm struggling with the hairpins because my hands were greasy, because my hair is greasy because of the oil, and you know the struggle when you got hairpins and your hands are oily / greasy. But yes, I had to I had to film. This is the third attempt of doing this video. I was struggling last week when the weather was hot. Like I said, hands greasy, the pins are greasy, so it's fully in my hand. It just wasn't coming out good because of shrinkage as well. I'm hot, as you can see, because I'm sweating my head. Looking at the mirror at the side, because that mirror is very useful when I create hairstyles as well. But anyway, like I said, this is a quick hairstyle with couple of pins that I use. Don't come for me because I only use a couple of pins and I didn't use a comb. I didn't want to use a comb, and next time I'll use many more pins because that's just how it goes. But yes, this is a quick hairstyle, how I create the Mohawk hairstyle anyway. So yeah, let's go. Let's continue watching this. And you see I've just gathered the other side and the pin just dropped on my shoulder. You know what, I just kept it in because I can't be bothered to re-record this thing and it will mess up my flow to stop and record again. So yeah, struggling again. You can't see the struggle yet because it's not in camera. My hand's fiddly with the pin. But yeah, I've got that section, the other side, in the pin, and I'm just pushing it up to secure it. Look at the top of my hair, my little afro, my Mohawk afro. But yes, getting close to the end now. Just gotta fluff my hair. The middle of my hair is like, shrinkage is real. Middle of my hair is real. It's the shortest. It's not the shortest, actually it's kind of short, like I said, because of shrinkage and everything, but it's the thickest bit of my hair as well. But yeah, let's continue with this. So now you just see me fluffing. You just see me fluffing out my hair. These lights are just killing me right now as well. Like I said, I filmed this during the heat wave. Yeah, I just about got through it. Like I said, this is the third attempt trying to record this video. Shrinkage, head is hot, shrinkage is kicking in the roots. But yeah, I'm just fluffing it out. I'm just finger detangling just to fluff it out a little bit. I could have had the afro comb, but that was in the other room. Like I said, I didn't use combs in this video anyway. This is not a posh style. This is just a basic quick hairstyle. Oh, I did have my afro comb. I should remember that, but I don't remember. God, the way how my days are so busy nowadays, I can't remember everything. But yeah, there's the afro comb. And I've not sped up this video. This video is normal speed as well. Hey, it's only like nearly 5 minutes long, yeah. So I thought, let me just keep it normal speed, because if it was too quick, it would be just too quick. So let me just keep it normal, which I did. How are you guys getting along? How's life? Hopefully the weather is normal now and not too hot. Yep, it's finished now. I'm just giving you a little twist around. Check it out. What do you think? It's basic. It's, you know, a basic quick hairstyle you can do. Like I said, I didn't use a comb, just use a couple of pins. The front bit, look at my hair. Yes, Mohawk it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it inspired you to create hairstyles, simple hairstyles. And hopefully if you're new, you can subscribe to my channel. If you aren't existing, thank you for coming to watch my videos. See you in the next video. See ya. Bye.